Okay, this is how you replace a air conditioning pollen filter on a BF Ford Falcon. Just drop the glove box, and there's a clip holding the glove box. You just push that backwards, and that allows you to release the glove box down. And then right there is the cap to it. You just slide that. It says open and close to the left. Slide that straight out now. They're a pretty shitty mesh style filter from Ford, and you replace that with a superseded pollen filter, which, as you can see, this doesn't catch much of the fine stuff. Alright, so here we have the new pollen filter and our cap. So just slide that straight in, so it's all the way back, and our new cap. Now this cap's separate on the aftermarket filter. Slide it in at the top. That's a bit of a pain in the ass. Push it all the way back, and that foam seal is a bit hard to get in sometimes. And then there you go. And then just click the glove box back in. All done.